I know it's a very scary decision to make once you decide or come to the realization that, okay, hey, I'm in a point of my life where I'm going to need some support. If you land on this website, I hope that you can glean how comprehensive it is. They address your nutrition, they address your brain, your body. The people you meet here some of them will be lifelong friends. This is my second time here, and I am so thankful that I came back because I still have lifelong friends from my first visit. If you're willing and you're open to, cracking your chest open and saying, okay, I'm vulnerable, help me figure all of this out, then that's exactly what you'll get. You will get the tools that you need to take the next step in your life to healing and restoration and beauty and joy and all the things that right now you're feeling you don't have in your life. And so just being in the presence of people that are willing to share just even the smallest part of their journey is, to me, part of the healing. When you allow fear to hold you back, you miss out on the opportunity of amazing. And I hope and pray that you take this opportunity, give yourself this gift of time to make your life amazing.